It's a masonry house, but it's a rental. So thinking about money, over and over, we end up going to these corrugated C panels. Cost about $1 a square foot, maybe add another $1 for closures and screws and trim. I find myself going to it over and over. Look! Wait, face the camera. This is the future CFO of the company, CEO of the company. There's a man gate here using the same material. There's a probably 12-foot wide car gate there. So essentially, in this case, because we're too cheap to put it on both sides, we've got a hero side on the outside. The inside, we're using all pressure-treated material. So your posts, your top and your bottom mid rails, they're all dadded in thanks to Pedro. That guy is very handy. And then, oh, Louis is spraying a degreaser on the roof. It comes with a little bit of a film. And then we'll take our pressure washer and we'll hose it down. You don't have to really use the ferric nitrate on it. So these are wood grip. Notice that they've got a gasket on them. These are cocoa brown, and we use them with the rusted roof. So 1.5 inch number 9s work well. And on the ends, we use them in every other valley. We do not put them on the ridges, contrary to what everyone thinks. That's not a good idea. It'll actually dimple the metal, and it's not a good connection. So this is a shop drawing. So essentially you can stand this way and look. So this is the portion of the roof that we're doing. Gives all the information, tells the guys, make sure they know. We're able to order all our trim, so our ridge cap is here. You can see how big the hems are. Everything's there. So we can quantify it. We know we're at 32 inches on center. They're cut to length, so you can get it exactly right from the ridge line. So the point of this is, for me, it's to be as monochromatic as possible. The fewer materials, the better. So what we're really presenting here is just a bunch of C-panel, and it's an inexpensive way to create privacy. We're on a main drag here. This is a nasty 20,000 cars a day Broadway road. It's a computer arterial. So what we want to do is seal ourselves off, both from a security standpoint. It's my daughter. The ground here, this will all be native grasses. We buy these from a wholesale nursery called Mountain States. Wonderful nursery. We love those people. The shrub that we saw inside is called cordia, and this is what it does. I love cordia. I use it on every job because it is very aggressive. It'll grow fast. I like its architectural feature and privacy. You can use this as a buffer to your neighbors. I like it when you can keep it at about, say, 6 or 8 feet high. I use it and I box it out like this a lot because it's really a small tree. It's called Mexican olive, or Cordia boiseri is the botanical name. So, good luck to everybody with either your fix and flip, or if you just bought a house and you're excited to start your journey down the money pit road. If you need advice or interim hard monies to take down a property while you put long-term financing on it, consider us. Give me a call. My number is 480-968-7895. And I forgot, my name is Bill Tonneson. I'm the guy on the, well, I guess you can hear that by my voice, can't you?